Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a highly requested topic: how to enable the auto-clear search history feature on Instagram's new update. With this feature, you can ensure your search history remains private and confidential. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Now, we need to access the settings menu. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your profile page. A menu will appear, and you'll find the Settings option towards the bottom. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Settings menu, please tap on Meta Account Center option. Now that you're in the Meta Account Center settings, you'll notice various options, but you just need to focus on Your Information and Permissions option. Tap on it to continue. In the section, you'll see an option called Search History. Tap on it to access the search history settings. Finally, you've reached the search history settings page. Here, you'll find the Keep Searches option. By default, it is usually turned off. You can choose Auto Clear Seacrh History for 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, even 30 days. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to enable Auto Clear for your search history. Tap Confirm to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the Auto Clear search history feature on Instagram's new update. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on how to enable the Auto Clear search history feature on Instagram. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow along. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy Instagramming.